So I get asked all the time, what companies are on our watch list? And I'm not going to tell you. And the reason is really simple, is that we want the price to go down. We want to buy companies that are on sale. If I tell you guys what I'm waiting to buy, you'll go buy it before I do. So I'm sorry, but you're going to have to do your own work. I get asked as a beginner investor, what should I be thinking about? All right, here's the truth of it. Most of the difference between people who do what I do and make a lot of money and you is that we decided we're going to make the journey and we're going to make it work. And I think you're on a hero's journey. I think you're starting right where you are thinking, I can't do this. This is for people who are really brilliant and they went to Harvard, and nothing could be further from the truth. And all you have to have is a person teach you the basics that Buffett's been teaching for 60 years, and you too can do this. That's the key thing I would say to you. You can do it, no question about it. So when we're looking at the people who are running a company, it's pretty straightforward. We want people with integrity and we want people who have talent. Those two qualities are really important to us because ultimately that person's making a decision on how to allocate my money. And I want them to grow it really fast. So if we can pick managers who are really good at their job, we just have to give them the money and just sit back and let them grow it. That's the most beautiful thing about this. That's why over a 220-year period of time, $1 invested in the stock market becomes $2.3 million without you doing anything. It's the most passive, magnificent wealth-creating device anybody ever dreamed up. And it's because these managers can build our money for us. So sometimes I hear options are really risky, and I got to tell you, people don't realize this, but Warren Buffett's one of the biggest options traders in the world, in the whole world. He does billions of dollars of options trades at a shot. And he does it in the way that kind of the original beginning of options trading, which was a wheat farmer wants to get the price on the crop and not take any more risk of getting the crop off the field, and he'll sort of sell the crop at a set price. And a baker wants to get wheat at a price that he's willing to pay. So in case the price goes up, he doesn't get to where he can't buy enough wheat. And so that kind of commodity market got going and ultimately evolved into the options market. Most people use options to gamble. We use options to protect and to create cash flow. If you go to Las Vegas, it's risky. Yeah, you're right. You go to Las Vegas and the gambler, it's risky, but it's not risky for the casino. So on every gamble, there's a house, and we do it as the house. So sign up for a Rule 1 workshop today, and we'll show you how.